The first thing that you should do when starting out with a new language is download the compiler, or at least find out how to run the compiler. And that's what we are doing right now. So if you go to the Kotlin homepage, which is kotlinlang.org, and you press the Try Kotlin button, you see that there are different ways of trying out Kotlin. The simplest and most painless way is to try Kotlin in the browser. And this opens a separate window, a separate environment where you can actually look at Kotlin programs, and you can press the run button to actually execute them and see the output. And this comes with plenty of examples that you can load in and just explore, just see what's going on there. In addition, if you do want to run Kotlin on your machine, then you can certainly download the standalone compiler. Now, this will simply include all the tools for compiling programs on the command line. However, it's not really that useful for development without some sort of environment to go with it, which is why I recommend one of these two options. So essentially, JetBrains provides two different plugins for support of the Kotlin language. It's supported in their own IDE called IntelliJ IDEA, and it's also supported in a IDE called Eclipse. So you should really try one of these out and see if it works for you, because ultimately it makes working with Kotlin a lot easier. Now, throughout this entire course, I will be using IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, which is a free edition of IntelliJ IDEA that you can download without paying anything and just enjoy some of the additional support, some of the refactoring, some of the code inspections, and that sort of thing. However, you're welcome to try any of these out, and certainly all the examples that I'll be giving will be single file examples, so you can try them in the browser or use Eclipse or use anything else, including compiling on the command line. So good luck setting up Kotlin. Just make sure that you can actually build your application, and I'll see you in the next step.